excited about today's video because I get to talk about all of my favorite products from the past month or so. And I was thinking of turning it into a series where I would do a video like that every month or every 2 months. Also, before we jump into it, I would urge you to please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to all so you can get notified whenever I upload. Okay, so we start with skincare first. And the first favorite I have is this AC Collection Calming Foaming Cleanser from COSRX. COSRX is now available in India, which I'm so excited about. It is available on Nykaa, and this cleanser is not a regular cleanser, my friend. It is more of an exfoliating cleanser. So this one has a beta-hydroxy acid in it, the salicylic acid, which is responsible for the exfoliation thing. So as you would wash your face with it, it would just dissolve away all of the dead skin and the grime that you have on your face. And if you didn't know, the physical exfoliators or the scrubs that you use are very damaging to your skin. I know it's surprising because not a lot of people know that, but the beads that they have can cause micro tears on your skin, and you won't even realize until years pass by and you start to notice aging or hyperpigmentation or blemishes. That's when you realize what damage it did to you. So we don't want that to happen, so I don't ever scrub my face and don't ever recommend anyone do that. Something like this, however, is pretty gentle in that sense, and because it's a face wash, it is not going to be on your face for too long. And these chemical exfoliants these days are available in different forms, in masks, in face wash, in creams or serums, and then different intensities. Like there are milder ones like this one, and then there are intense ones, and also different ingredients like AHAs, BHAs, the glycolic acid, salicylic acid. All of these are exfoliants, chemical exfoliants. With chemical exfoliants like this, you want to make sure you're not overusing them. So I would use it every other day. I would alternate between my regular cleanser and this one because these things can really sensitize your skin if you use too much of them. So I would generally use my gel cleanser, which is very mild and gentle. And every other day, if my skin is feeling a bit congested or it needs a deep cleaning, I would use this one. If you're using something like this, you want to be very regular with your SPF. You can't not have it because things like this do sensitize your skin a bit. You don't want to step out with naked skin in the sun after using this. The next one undoubtedly has to be these joggers from Bewakoof. I wanted it in black, but they didn't have it, so I got this gray one. But it's the fit of it that's my favorite because the fabric is cotton, so nothing fancy there. But finding the perfect fitting joggers for a petite is a task because you can't really hem them. It has to be the perfect length, it has to be the perfect fit. And this one I really did love on me. It's not very snug and it's not very loose. You could wear it out, but I'm not someone who would wear my loungewear out. I like dressing up, so I don't think I'll be wearing it out, but just for lounging around the house in the fall, this one is going to be perfect for me, and I'm so hyped about this. I'm definitely getting it in other colors too. And also there's a matching sweatshirt that's also available on their website. And this thing is very affordable too. It was around 700, I think. Great purchase. Next are these ballerinas from Mango, and if you know anything about me, you know I love them. These chocolate browns and coffee browns and tans and different tones of browns are very in trend this season, so it ticks that box. And it has a pointed toe, and whenever something is in a pointed toe, it can lift your outfit from 0 to 100 in an instant. So that is one reason I love them. And also, if you can tell, the build quality on this one is really good. And that is one thing with flats. If you're wearing a pointed toe flats, you want to make sure the quality is really nice because they touch the ground a lot and create friction. So if it's not good quality, they would just tear apart and get damaged really quick. So that's another thing I keep in mind while I'm buying flats, is that I never compromise on the quality. And also I like that the inside is black, so it won't get dirty very easily. And something like this is a perfect addition for my wardrobe because they can be worn with Indian wear and with Western wear. I've already worn them with Indian wear and they essentially look like juttis. And when you're wearing it with Western, it is a ballet flats again. So it is very versatile in that sense. And the color would go with everything. And this can be very easily transitioned from fall to summer. So that is another plus. And overall, I love them. They're just one of my favorite purchases. and I really can't wait to wear them again. The next one I'm so excited about. They're definitely my favorite from the whole lot, and it's these boots from Mango. First of all, they're beige, so they're going to complement my wardrobe very well because I generally work with neutrals, and even if I'm not working with neutrals, beige goes with everything. So it will pair well with everything in my wardrobe. They have the right amount of heels, so they are very comfortable. I've already worn them once, and I wore them for about 8 hours or so, and they were very comfortable, so can't really complain about that. These were definitely an investment, but definitely worth it. They are limited edition after all. And the only thing that did bug me is that this is genuine leather. Had I known it, I would have never bought it. But they're here and they're gorgeous, so might as well keep them. Being genuine leather, they're going to need a lot of maintenance. So I'll have to show them sun every now and again, because if you didn't know, genuine leather can grow mold pretty quickly if kept indoors, of course. And the build quality on this one is really nice and they're pretty comfortable. And I always say, if there's anything you want to compromise on, it shouldn't be your footwear, because a bad quality footwear can really damage your posture and can just make you slouch. And if you want to keep your spine erect, you want to make sure your footwear is nice quality. I completely forgot about it, but this nail paint from Nykaa, the Nutcracker Dreams 151, is one of my favorite shades. I had a similar color from Colorbar. It's the Colorbar Matte Nail Lacquer in Brownie. I had this one, I loved this one. I couldn't find a backup for this, so I was looking for a similar shade, and that's when I came across this one from Nykaa. And I'm glad I found it because it's pretty easily available. I'll be honest, it's the color that's my favorite, not so much the formula. The formula is a bit streaky, and also it can become a bit dull if you apply 2 coats of it. So I just apply 1 coat for that natural flush of color, and it's the perfect shade. And that's it for all my favorites. Be sure you follow me on my Instagram. The handle is @Rupanshi_Bareja. Do please like the video and comment down below which was your favorite product from the video. And I shall speak to you in the next one. Bye!
내게로 와서 melt my heart. 봄의 향기를 담은 그대를 보며 그냥 웃음만 짓게 돼. Don't know what to say. You are just like one